Hey everyone! So, let's talk about something that feels like a huge deal for a lot of developers, making your very first open source contribution in Java. It can feel exciting and, honestly, a little terrifying.
You've probably been there, right? You're ready to build your reputation. You see all these amazing projects on GitHub. But when it comes to actually jumping in, it feels like you've hit a brick wall. Where do you even begin?
Well, that's what we're going to tackle right now. My goal here is simple: to give you a clear roadmap, a step-by-step guide to turn all that confusion into your first successfully merged pull request. Let's do this.
I always think of it as the open source mountain. It looks massive and impossible from a distance, but trust me, once you find the right trail, it's a climb anyone can make. And let me let you in on a little secret, something that should make you feel a whole lot better. The biggest challenge isn't the code. It's not your skill level. It's just a navigation problem. It's all about finding out where to start. So let's pull out the map. This next part is all about the specific tools and tricks you can use to find that perfect first task. Okay, if you remember one thing today, make it this phrase: good first issue. Seriously, this is a label that projects use to basically roll out the welcome mat for new people. Think of it as the secret handshake, the hidden door just for first-timers. And this isn't just a concept, it's a practical tool. You can literally copy and paste the search query right into GitHub. Bam! It filters everything down to open issues in Java that projects have specifically marked as being perfect for someone like you. It's a game changer.
And it doesn't stop there. You've got websites like goodfirstissue.dev that do all the hard work for you. There are these huge lists on GitHub like the Awesome for Beginners repo. You can even search for the First Timers Only tag, which is exactly what it sounds like. And never forget about the projects you already use every day. That's often the best place to start.
Okay, so we've got the how, but what about the where? Let's dive into some actual Java projects that are known for being really welcoming to newcomers.
For example, if you're into desktop and data tools, check these out. JobRef is a reference manager that always needs help with small UI fixes. OpenRefine is a super cool tool for tidying up messy data, and it's full of great starter tasks. Then there's OckHQ, a GUI for Apache Kafka, which is another great spot to look.
More of a web or backend person? No problem. A huge project like Quarkus actually loves it when beginners help out with documentation or add tests. The classic Apache Commons libraries are perfect for tiny but important bug fixes. Or take a look at Universal Media Server. It's a popular project with a really active community.
And just to prove how varied your options are, you can even contribute to the world of gaming. PaperMC is a super popular, high-performance Minecraft server with a massive community. Or there's Glowstone, another Minecraft server that's famous for being friendly to new developers. Yeah, that's right. Your first open source contribution could literally be fixing a bug in Minecraft.
All right, so you've found a project you like, you've even found an issue that looks doable. What's next? Let's walk through the exact steps to get from here to a merged PR.
So here's the playbook. Step 1, you find your issue using those labels we talked about. Step 2, and this is so important, read the contributing.md file. It's the rulebook for that specific project. Skipping this is the #1 rookie mistake. Third, a little bit of etiquette, just drop a polite comment on the issue asking if you can take it. Don't just start coding. Once you get the thumbs up, you're on to step 4. Fork the repo, create a new branch, and write your code. 5, you open a pull request and clearly explain what you did. And finally, step 6, be ready for feedback. Getting notes and having to make changes is totally normal. It's a good thing. It means they're taking your work seriously.
So to wrap up, let's talk about how you turn this one-time thing into a real habit. How you really build that reputation and become a part of the open source world. I saw this piece of advice from another developer, and it just hits the nail on the head. It's so true. When you're fixing a bug in a tool you actually rely on, the motivation is just on a whole other level. It's personal. So let's just boil it all down into a final cheat sheet. Use those curated sites and GitHub labels to hunt for opportunities. Definitely look at the tools you already use. And for that first PR, start small. Fixing a typo in the documentation absolutely counts and is a fantastic way to start. From there, it's just about persistence. Keep making those small contributions. They add up. So, that open source mountain doesn't seem quite so intimidating now, does it? You've got the map, you've got the tools, you even know some friendly places to start your climb. Your first contribution is literally just a few clicks away. So the only real question left is, what are you going to fix first?